the solution to this example, because we effectively want to know how many, that implies a count. So we're going to use our COUNTIFS. So I'm going to go find COUNTIFS. The criteria first that I look at is it looks like I want to know how many negative and positive months. So is it bigger or less than 0? So in the criteria, I'm going to type less than 0 and just put my inverted commas. And then I'm going to just tell Excel where to look for less than 0. So I'm going to highlight that section there. Put my dollar signs, and when I say OK, it tells me there are 4 items that are less than 0, negative. I can do the same thing, or in this case, copy it down, gives me the 4. That's because at the moment it's looking for less than 0. I'm just going to tweak that and say bigger than 0, and when I say OK, I get 8. So as the year progresses, we'll be able to see how many are positive, how many are negative.